Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is January 9th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures higher by 11 points at the moment to 25.83.5 per contract. All in all, futures are getting another bid, but you could see there's a lot of resistance in this area right around 25.85. So we'll see how it plays out today. Again, the markets have had a sensational move higher. We'll see if they need to pause. Sometimes when you get a big move like this, you need to digest some of the gains, and that really has not happened. Yesterday, we had another pretty decent day out here as far as upside is concerned, and we'll see if these markets are due for a little bit of a stall out. But nonetheless, futures are higher ahead of the opening bell. Now, we have lots of news out here. As always, first one we're going to start off the day with is going to be Apple. Apple has news coming out of a Japanese newspaper, and basically they said that they're going to cut iPhone production by 10% between January and March. This is the second time production has been cut in the last 2 months, so we'll see how it plays out. The stock was trading higher, believe it or not. It popped up to 153. Now coming back down, settling in right around the flat line. Yesterday, the stock closed at 150.77. We're trading at 150.62 at the moment, so we'll be watching that today. Now, with that being said, Skyworks Solutions did come out with earnings. Stock right now is trading at 67.75. Now, this stock closed at 65.19, so this is popping after earnings. But again, just understand that they are a big part of the Apple ecosystem, so we want to watch that closely, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I don't think I'm ready to do anything with Skyworks right here initially. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings tonight or this morning. Here we have Constellation Brands. STZ is the ticker symbol there. Stock is getting absolutely slaughtered. Closed at 172.54, now trading at 151.29. I think there's pretty good support around this 150 area. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. I'll try to work on more defined levels there, but I do think there's a fair amount of support for Constellation around 150. But with earnings, anything is possible. These things can overshoot a bit. But right now, what a haircut there for that stock. But 150 does look to be around that 150 level, does look to be pretty good support. Let's take a look at Lennar. Lennar this morning trading at $43. Stock closed at $42.87. This is on the back of earnings as well. This is a leading home builder stock. Home builders have been doing pretty well the last week or two, and they've had a really good rebound. But Lennar coming out with earnings today. When I look at this one at the moment, I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. Let's just see how it plays out once the opening bell rings this morning. I'm just looking at levels here. I think the $45 area, maybe 45.25, could be some good resistance. But again, the stock's only at 43. It's just up a tad from where it closed yesterday. But Lennar will be on the radar. You also want to watch the other home builders like Toll Brothers, KB Homes, another one. So keep these all on the radar today. Home builders could be in play. Let's take a look at Booking, BKNG. This is the old price line. Stock is trading at $16.50, closed at $16.85. This is on the back of a downgrade, so we want to just take a look at that. Let's take a look at SCHN, which is Schnitzer Steel. This is This stock came out with earnings this morning. Stock is trading at $24.30, closed at $23.13. So good little pop there for Schnitzer. We'll see where it goes. I'm not seeing anything that I'm looking to do with it right off the bat here, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Akamai, AKAM, is another name with an upgrade today. Stock is trading at $64.55. Not a lot of volume behind that move, but nonetheless, good little pop, and we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. We also have Canopy Growth, CGC, marijuana play. This is trading at $30.78. Looks like this was upgraded this morning as well. This stock closed at $29.64 and now trading at $30.78. And then we want to take a look here at Colgate-Palmolive. This is upgraded as well today, trading at $62.42, closed at $60.50. When I look at this one, I have to think around the $62.50 level. We'll have a little bit of minor resistance. After that, you do have to look higher, but right now, $62.50 should be some resistance. So if you own that one, just watch that level closely. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading down just about 60 cents to $1,285.30 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. See, that's trading at 121.42, basically 10 cents lower than where it closed yesterday at 121.52. Again, the dollar today down 11 cents. We're not going to make too much out of that one right now. Let's take a look at crude oil, up $1.45. That's a big pop for crude. Now back above 50, trading at $51.25 a barrel. So oil on the move again today. Good pop there. That is trading at $10.82. Closed at $10.50 on the USO. Spot crude again trading above the 50 level at 51.24, up about 3% this morning. So crude is on the move. We'll see how this all plays out today. We will get some kind of a statement, I believe, regarding China and U.S. trade deal, but nothing has been defined yet, nothing ironed out. So we'll see how it plays out going forward. But markets are hanging in there pretty well right now. Futures up $12.75. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great 2018. We're going to look to have a great 2019 as well. If you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial and trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.